fuzzy face, big eyes, big nose, big teeth. I made a jack-o'-lantern with big fuzzy face, big eyes, big nose, big mouth. 3 little pumpkins singing on the gate. The first one says, "Mine is getting late." The second one says, "The witch is in the air." The third one says, "I'm ready for some fun."